put your mic. Oh. In mic ka of vector rule explanation kan chan to do na. In mic ka of vector rule. Si la chan hi mi kha mic off role. Noise tam si la chan hi mi kha I mic off role. Chuan kan chanang. Okay, we can start. Chapter 5, Powers and Roots, ti kha kan zir do na textbook nei to tan chuanin page number 57. Page number 57 kanya textbook la nei lo tan po boy na turo om lova kan soi fia vek do na ni chuanin ama sabera chuan powers kan endon powers to enge power to an expression that represents repeated multiplication of the same factor. Aom zia chu thil number in ang. Angai le ngai kan multiply non reng khan kha I kan multiply zat kha say de waziak lo khan power in kan represent donani. To make it clear, let me show you. Power, an expression that represents repeated multiplication of the same factor, is called a power. Example, xn naoma, where x is called the base. X he a base, he a base. This is the power. Om zia chu number kan lo naya, suppose 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Kan lau nei ta ni. 4, oh sorry, it should be 4 into 4 into 4. Lau nei ta ni. The base are same. Ani em. Base ka a in ang veka chu 4 vek ani ta ni. So we take the base and add the power to hetilaya mihi. Engma a in zia lava number ringot ani chuan power 1 ti na. Hey hi power 1 ti na nya, hey po power 1 ti na nya, hey po power 1. Power 1. Clear? Pathum to power 3. Alaw ni don tani. So this is the power. Kan siya tiamangem. Etirna 2 to the power 7. Kanti chuan 2 is the base and 7 is the power. This is the power. So this kind of expression having numeral number with power, having numerical number with power, this kind of expression is called exponential form. Exponential form. Number le power a kop khan mo a power ne na ang chi reng kha exponential form anitani. Chuan, let us solve some example. Here we have 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 lir kha engzan nge omle in ru khan lo ngai tua ula in ru in mi lo chang don nia. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. Am I right? So the power is 5. 3 power 5. And this is exponential form. This form is exponential form. And what about this? 5 into 5 into 5 into 5.
Miss,
5, yes?
Miss, kan textbook ka
Yes?
inang law.
Miss, I don't have power and roots.
It's
And my
okay.
textbook also.
Ibo, textbook ini. Alopon ay alopon ti kanin in low. Siya to pa nga exercise ka textbook kami kapedon so ang low tsawa. Oh, kan siya tiam na turkan. Siya tiam em. Kan soy to jin ka
Yes,
kan
miss.
tiam em. Kan soy to jin ka kan siya tiam em. Do
Yes,
we
miss.
understand? Okay, good. And what will be the next one? 5. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 power 4. And what about this? Le, hemite panihi. C and D. Oh, let's skip C and do the 2 by 3. So we can write 2 by 3. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 by 3, 5 times. So this one will be your homework. In homework, a question he can screenshot role screenshot ula chuanin in lo enve ang ina -4 clear voyeng zat nge ti kha ni mai. And here question kha ti hian ron om thayani. They are given in you have to give it in exponential form, but here in sub number E, this numerical form, how will you give it into exponential form? How will you convert in exponential form? 25 to engtinge kan ti the. LCM kan zonang khan 25 hi kan zongang 5 in the same thea. 5 how many times? 5. 5 are 25. 5 cut in the same thing. 5 thawin draw. 5. 1 is 5. So 25 is multiples of 5 into 5. And m 25 to 5 into 5 alone nita a 1 to 5 clear voyeng za ye voy ni draw chu tiang chia chuan f in lo ti ve thei ta ni in lo try ve ang number c and f question mark kada te hi in lo try ve ang screenshot ula chuan in lo try do nia screenshot ro le now we can go to next 2 to the power form. 2 to the power 4. This is given in exponential form. You have to convert it into numerical form. Exponential form hi numerical form in engtinge kan da ve ang mami kan ti to ang khan adet ling cha ina ni do na ni 2 power 4 ti 2 lir voi li multiply ti na tro you have to multiply 2 4 times 2 4 times 2 1 2 times 3 times and 4 times. So when you multiply, what do you get? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So this is the numerical form. Numerical form. Power ne na khan exponential form ania. Number pa kaya kanda let siya khan. It is in numerical form. Kan siya tiyan to ang taro. Kan low try ve tur ka number C and F. Anitani, you can screenshot. Okay, good. Chuanin power sa chuan, there are some laws. Law o mani. Law kan siya ngay tur pathum do na. Number 1 at chuan, rule for multiplication. Xm into xn equals to xm plus n. Zia chu base in ang power in ang low. M le n in ang lawa. Pero power in ang low. Base in ang kan multiply kan. A base kan langa. Power kan at ang. Hetahan example he can solve sinang. Minus 4 to the power 2 plus minus 4 to the power 3. Ang tingay kanti ang base kanla ang tro x kanla ang siyakan base kala power we have to add 2 plus 3 to exact nge minus 4 2 plus 3 to 5. So minus 4 power 5. Hello Nitani. Hey he the exponential form. If you want to convert it further to numerical form, you have to multiply again. Minus 4 5 times. 5 times. So you will get the answer. Likewise, let us give one more example. Suppose 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 2 into 2. Titop the kalonita say, what will you get? You take the base and add the power. What are they? 3, 2, and nothing means 1. So 3 plus 2 plus 1. So what do you get? 2 to the power 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. So 2 to the power 6. If you again further going to convert this exponential form into numerical form, you just multiply 2 6 times. Two can multiply to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64. This is the exponential form and this is the numerical form. They are both the answers. Do we understand? Okay, let's go to the next rule, which is rule for division. Xm divided by xn, or we can write in this form also, xm divided by xn, it's still the same with this. They are same. Is equal to xm minus n. At sungami zokha masanga. At sungami minus at nuayami power kanibay. Oh, here again we have an example. 2 to the power 7 divided by 2 to the power 5. How will we solve this one? we take the base to what to do? Atsungzok power minus atnuaizok power ni Meitero. Omzia to atsungzok power to 7. Atnuaizok power to 5. So what do we get? 2 to the power, exactly, yes, 7 minus 5 to 2. This is the exponential form, and further the numerical form will be 2 times. Tara, voi ni ka multiplier to 2 exactly. 2 into 2 is 4. This is the numerical form. So, example dang kan chok le ang 8 to the power 5 divided by 8 to the power 3. Lo nita se, we take the base 8 vevenia 8 kalaa and subtract the power 5 minus 3. 8 to the power 5 minus 3. 8. 5 minus 3 is 2. So if we again further want to convert it into the numerical form, you have to simply expand 8 2 times is 64. This is the exponential form, and this is the numerical form. Understand?
Yes, Miss.
Good. And the next one is additional laws. Law dang laom ho te kan endo na ni. A to the power 0 is 1, where A can be any number. Number eng po. Suppose 27 po lo ni Rose. Power 0 ani reng chuan it equals 1. 3 to the power 0 po ni se eng po power 0 ni reng chuan it equals 1. Ultra hitu anything, any number to the power 0 is equals to 1. Minus 4 power 0 po ni se eng ang ponron minus se 1 at luk thau doon if the power is 0. Okay, screenshot let kaya indo chuan. And another one is anything to the power 1 is itself. Omzia 2 number eng po a power 1 ani chuan ama thau kha ani don ani. Suppose 5 mangang 5 to the power 1 is equals to 5. Ama azel kha ni don ti na ni chu minus 7 to the power 1 po ni se it will equals minus 7 ani bai. If you want, you can screenshot again. Okay, and the next one is 1 divided by A equals to A inverse, which means if you have any number on the denominator and the numerator is 1, then that number comes up in the numerator with the power inverse. Omzia 2, suppose I have 1 by 2. 1 by 2 kalau na ya. 2 hi kalak chau don chuan 2 hi kala chawa ma se power 1 kha achunga chau chuan -1 a chau dei don ani chu. If you do not have a question, please off your mic. In mic ka off rule zo na emo min response don ni lo chuan. Okay, thank you. Let us continue. 1 by 5 lo ni ta se 5 power -1 ti na ni chu. Power -1 ti hi alam dan nal deuh le kha oma mathematical term a chuan inverse kan ti mai. Inverse ti thei ta ni 1 by 5 is equals to 5 to the power -1 indu chuan in screenshot le theiang. Okay, let's go to next. 1 by AM. 1 by AM to anh thích nghe đi về ăn hành người tua tấu lên. 1 ni kher lo ba se A anh thích nghe đi ăn minus M ani mai tra. Om zia chu 1 by 2 power 1 ni to lovin 3 po ni se eng number po ni thei ani he hi. Suppose I'm giving 3 as an example. 1 by 2 power 3. 2 will comes up and the power will inverse. Will change the sign. -3. Ang inu chau don ti na ni chu. 1 by -4 power 5 po ni se tra. Sorry. -4 chawaga. What will be the power? 5 will becomes -5. If you want, you can screenshot again for your further studies. I hope you all understand. If you have any questions, you can ask me anytime. And for the next one, the last one is any number with the power have to share their power. Any fractions, the numerator and denominator will share the power. Suppose I'm having A by B niya. Achung le anway in ang low. Chung le nuay a in ang low tani. Ma se power hi a in ang tani. Chu an in share don 2 power 3 by 3 power 3 ti na ni chu. Hey hi exponential form kanya. If we again want to convert it into numerical form, 2 3 times and divided by 3 3 times. 2 3 times is how much? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 3 3 times will be 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. If you want, you can take a screenshot again. Okay, so we have studied the powers from chapter 5, powers and roots. We have covered powers today. Do you have any questions regarding that? Le zona này kan ma'am. You can switch on your mic.
No, miss. No, miss.
Homework ka kasi
Miss,
mo.
No, miss.
homework in a no try ve tur kha voi khat karon tilang liang Johnny no screenshot le donya we have 6 minutes left le law en ru le example khu oma number C is your homework C is your homework and
Miss không một thấy đâu.
okay. If you cannot see, you can simply write it down. -4 into -4 into -4 equals to Uthayem. -4 into -4 into -4 equals to how much? You have to find it in exponential form. You have to keep the answer in exponential form. And those who have textbook also, you can see there are lots of examples and exercises, so you can practice by your own at home.
Miss, what chapter is that?
What? This is chapter 5. And the next one is this one. 32 equals to question mark. You have to put it in exponential form. You have to give the answer in exponential form as well. Exponential form ada turve ni kan homework too. Can you see? 32 equals to question mark. Ama kan so na sa kan inbokang tihian. Number E kaya na maang cia so na umboka. Can you see?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, vui na kan zir khathil hara mem. Kan shithia mem.
No.
Who said no to me shithiam lauka?
Cái con có sẽ thiam.
Okay, good.